Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope all of you are feeling better right now. Today, I want to share with you in how to prepare a manufacturing account. There are two important elements in manufacturing account. First, prime cost, and second, overhead cost. What do you know about prime cost? Prime cost consists of three components, and they are: first, direct raw materials; second, direct labor; and third, direct expenses. Direct raw materials are materials that we use directly in our production. For the first example, we take cotton. From cotton, we use to produce fabric. Second example is latex. We use latex from rubber tree to produce tire. In calculate the cost of raw materials, we must consider the price of raw material and also other costs that involve in procuring. For example, is carriage inward. This is the statement of cost of raw materials that you must know. From beginning of raw materials, plus minus with others expenses that involve, and lastly deduct ending inventory. Second item that you must know in prime cost is direct labor. It is also we call production operator. They will get wages or salary based on their production. This is the example of direct labor. Operator in electrical factory, operator in automotive factory, and labor in fabric factory. The last item in prime cost is direct expenses. Direct expenses is related directly to the product that we produce. For example, we hire a special machine to produce a particular product. This is the full calculation of prime cost. You must remember that we must add all the direct material, direct labor, and direct expenses together. What do you know about overhead costs? Overhead cost is the costs that are not directly related to the production process. We also call it fixed expenses. There are a lot of examples when we talk about overhead costs, such as salary to factory supervisor and repair and maintenance for plant and machinery, and its depreciation also. When you can differentiate between prime cost and overhead cost, you can calculate completely the statement of manufacturing account. Prime cost plus overhead cost and plus minus work in progress, and lastly you will get the amount of finished goods that will transfer to income statement. That's all about manufacturing account. I hope you can understand in how to calculate statement of manufacturing account successfully. And see you again. Bye.